Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ka seng Bharatiya Janata Party na South Shillong constituency uba Sanbor Shulai hawaya kren berkinong thok hubor mentaka sngi ulaong balai pho na kashispa kinong Thep vote kimshim la Leit Thep vote daga jing dom haganiki election MP badang shudep ula benrap shishu da kabaong ba udon ki sakhi ban kershan ya jing kamjong uba Sanbor ulaong bakinong Thep vote ki klemmi ban Leit Thep vote Namar Lotus Shym dan hake EVM. Shisho uba Sanbor ulaong baga BJP ka ay gajing kershan ya ke kertong jong ke NPP ya Meghalaya kumbala patha de ginong elam jong ka seng Namar ka Weru ke NPP kadai ke bayran lang hapo ke NDA.
You see, actually regarding the recent MP Lok Sabha election, so few weeks before the elections, we have got the order from the central leaders from Delhi, and based on the suggestion and conversation between the state leaders like Dr. Chubao and Rituraj Sinhaji, who is also the in charge of the BJP northeastern states, that they have that adjustment, that seat adjustment in the entire northeast. So where there will be seats where the NPP are not going to, there's a pre-poll alliance. So here they have come up with the decision not to fill the candidate in both the seat, the Tura and the Shillong. So as a party loyalist, I have to comply with the order of the party high command, and accordingly we have supported the NPP.
So you are saying comply, that means wholeheartedly you did not support NPP?
You see, I'm not like others. Who just put lipstick from the face. Myself, if I put lipstick from the lips, I put from the heart also. So personally, with my supporter, with all the caricatures of the 19 South Shillong constituency BJP, we wholeheartedly supported the NPP.
And do you feel that because many felt that once BJP announced that they will support NPP, it was a setback for NPP. Hence, it did not go well. They feel like voting for BJP is a problem. So, like BJP extending support to NPP did not work in the favor of NPP. How do you feel this?
Yeah, because this is a political propaganda. It happened, and people also they believe in political propaganda, and the political propaganda, especially from the part of the opposition, that see now the NPP is supporting the BJP, the BJP is supporting the NPP. The NPP is joining the BJP with the intention, with the vision that the NPP and the BJP, they will convince the central leader, they will convince Narendra Modi and Amit Shah ji to formulate the law that all Christian, they'll formulate the law that all Christian in Meghalaya will be converted into Hinduism. So this is the political propaganda. So so it works so fast especially in the villages, in the rural area, that the people in rural areas, especially our Christian brothers and sisters, they believe that because now the NPP have joined the BJP, that they will convert all Christian. So the opposition, they said that, see, we the opposition, we are the party of the Christian, for the Christian, and now we are going to protect the Christian from converting you into Hinduism. So this is the political propaganda. But I'm sending the message. For example, in Laban constituency, Sin Batrang was elected in 1998. The same propaganda happened in our constituency Laban that Batrang, if Batrang become the MLA, he will disallow the people to enter the church. The Batrang and the BJP Superda, they will lock the church. They will disallow people to eat beef. But it is true, Batrang was elected twice. But all this propaganda never happened. But when Batrang was there, I'm the MDC, there's nothing happened. We used to stand together to fight anything which, anything which never happened. But if there is anything, we used to give our statement. If anything happened to the Christian, we are the first leaders to stand and fight for the rights and to protect the Christian community. It never happened. Then after that, by election also his wife won after he was expired. Then during Kongjop also all this propaganda never happened in Laban. We never used to close the church. We never used to disallow people from eating beef. And when I have joined the BJP, I contest the same propaganda. The same propaganda to me during the election, the opposition to Batrang, they said that if Batrang won from the BJP, he will lock the church. He will not allow people to go to the church to worship inside the church. Now Sanbor to is a gunda. This is a pulver. Sanbor not only he will lock the church, he will burn the church after the winning from the BJP. It happened. This asked the people of 19 South Shillong, the people of Laban, the people of Meghalaya. Did it happen? Did we disallowed people to eat beef? Did I burn the church in Meghalaya? Let this message go that they should not succumb to all these tactics of the political propaganda. They should think for their future, they should think for the stomach, they should think for the development. It is only Modi ji and the BJP who can bring more development, who can create many job opportunities. If you say two BJP, it may happen in Pandorum Gara, but not in 19 South Shillong. In 19 South Shillong, I will tell you frankly, based on my, you see the day when I visit the polling booth in my constituency, interacting with the people in the, but we have got the concrete information that 30% of the die-hard BJP, they did not cast their vote. 30%. The percentage come very less. 30% they did not cast because out of anger. There are also men, women, boys and girls. I met in the polling booth. They said, our volunteers said, sir, these people they are asking they went to push the button since there is my name is not there in the VM. My symbol Lotus flower is not there. They went to the presiding officer and said, Sanbor, where is the name of Sanbor? Where is the Lotus of Narendra Modi? They ran away. They did not cast their vote. So all these things is happening.
Are you
So that
alleging?
means,
Are you alleging that it has not full-heartedly?
Since you are asking that there may be a division, there may be, since you have pointed out two BJP, in my constituency, two BJP, it means in my constituency, it never happened.
Allegation.
That allegation. It may happen if you see two, it may happen in Punjab, but not in my constituency.
So that means your voters, they have voted, I mean, they have not casted their vote because of the anger at the
Something
BJP.
like that, because their candidate, my name was not there, my symbol was not there. But still, we are winning. In my constituency, I'm winning.
But not during the last...
The NPP winning means the Sanbor Chulai BJP is winning in 19 South Shillong. In other constituency, I cannot see.
But South Shillong has recorded the lowest vote.
That's what I told you. So many of our Superda, out of anger, they did not go and cast their vote. And number two is MP, MP election. Normally, if you see at the previous record, the same thing. 50, 52, 53, 54. But in other state, in India, there are only 49, 50, 51 in other big state. But here in my constituency, at least 59% they have casted. So not bad.
But don't you think the BJP should have fielded candidates?
You see, last election they feel me. I contest. I came third. At least I cannot get gold medal. I could not get silver medal. At least I got opportunity to stand on the victory stand. I got a bronze medal. I came to third position, bronze medal. So I feel this time also they should feel, because as you have seen, I had a press conference with you after I submitted the letter of support to Dr. Fenela Lungdo to be the MP candidate. But at last, when the party they have come up with that directive, so what to do? I have to comply with the party directive of the party.
Now you have questioned what will the BPP do in 5 years?
You see what I have seen Bapala like that. To BPP, if they win also, it is a great loss for the people of the state. What they will do. So let's see. The people, they give a chance to if they give a chance to the BPP, it's the people to judge 5 years what they will do. I personally, I hope that BPP, they will do lots of things to bring development, to to take up issues concerning the interests of the people of the state, in terms of development, in terms of creation of job opportunities, on all these things. So maybe the mindset of the people to give chance to the opposition party with that mindset that they can do something. So it's up to, let us watch and see 5 years what they are doing. And I hope anybody who won the election, they should anybody, be it from any party, he or she will be the MP of the entire state and the entire constituency. And for the Meghalaya, for both MP, they will do well, and they will put more concentration to see how to take up the issue concerning the interests of the people of our state.